Welcome to FundooMoney, your 24/7 buddy on all matters related to personal finance. Now, in this web series, we are discussing various things people need to keep in mind while investing in stocks. And in this particular segment, we are going to be talking about, a ratio, a term, which is quite important. You get to hear it every now and then when there are discussions about stock market results, company results coming out, which is basically net profit margin. What is this all about, and why should you be bothered? That's coming up shortly. Net profit margin. Now, this is one term that one comes across whenever there is discussion of a company's results. What should an investor make of something called a net profit margin? To help us understand, we have got with us stock market expert Mohit Satyanand. Hi, Mohit.
Mohit, hi there.
Mohit, net profit margin. Now, net profit margin, that means it's something is getting minused out to arrive at it's a reduced version, it's a residual kind of a profit, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then there's a margin.
Right.
What is this all about? What is this animal all about, and why should a person be bothered, an investor?
See, in the eventual analysis, it's really net profit that matters to me, because that is an index of how much money the company has available, either to plow back into its operations or to pay out by way of dividends. So finally, it's net profit margin that matters, not gross profit margin. But obviously, there's a very clear link between the two.
When people are talking margin, Mohit, it's basically per unit of sales, or
per unit of revenue is the best way to look at it. And part of it is, of course, taxes, which used to be an instrument of control of companies, but as the tax code has got more and more simplified, there's not that much difference between the net margins of between the amount that one company pays out by way of taxes and another does. So the difference is how much capital I borrowed, and therefore what my finance costs are. It's what taxes I pay, and the bottom line is the bottom line. The net profit is the bottom line, and therefore it's critical.
Okay.
It's absolutely critical, but I don't think it's an either or, gross profit or net profit. If I am analyzing a company, I'm going to obviously start with the gross profit margin, but at the end of the day, I need to look at the kind of charges that company is placing on its gross profit before the net profit is available to the shareholder.
Well, there you are. Net profit margin is a very, very critical term that you need to look out for when you're investing in stocks. Just in case there's a better explanation for it, please share it with us. We would love to know how it can be explained, because after all, the community, the other people in the channel would be able to know, and they'll get to get a better perspective. If you've liked the video, go right ahead and click on the like button. Of course, we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. There are regular updates, video updates and audio updates on the channel. And apart from that, please stay connected with us on all leading social media platforms.